What is the neuron doctrine? Neurotech explained. Imagine trying to understand how your brain works by looking at a vast, tangled web. Now picture discovering that this web is made up of tiny, individual building blocks. That's essentially what the neuron doctrine reveals about the nervous system. It's a key idea in neuroscience that explains how our brains and nerves are built. Back in the late 1800s, scientists started to question the old belief that the nervous system was a continuous, unbroken web of fibers. They wanted to know if it was made of tiny, separate cells. Thanks to better microscopes and staining techniques, scientists like Santiago Ramon y Cajal could see clear differences. They found that neurons, or nerve cells, are distinct and separate from each other. This was a major shift in understanding. The term neuron was created by Wilhelm von Waldeerharts, who summarized these discoveries. He explained that neurons are individual cells with specific parts. Each neuron has a cell body that contains the nucleus, dendrites that receive signals, and an axon that sends signals out. These neurons don't form a continuous chain but connect at special junctions called synapses. At these synapses, signals are passed chemically or electrically from one neuron to another. This discovery laid the foundation for modern neurotechnology. It helped scientists understand how signals travel through the brain and nervous system. Researchers learned about neurotransmitters, the chemicals that carry signals across synapses. They also uncovered how the brain can change and adapt, which is called neuroplasticity. Today, the neuron doctrine guides the development of devices that interact with the brain at the cellular level. For example, neural recording electrodes can pick up signals from individual neurons. Brain-computer interfaces can read or send signals directly to specific neural pathways. Treatments for neurological diseases also depend on understanding how neurons connect and communicate. In short, the neuron doctrine tells us that the nervous system is made up of separate, individual cells called neurons. These cells connect at specialized points to create the complex network that powers all brain activity. This idea is at the heart of how we study, understand, and develop new neurotechnologies to help us better interact with the brain.